If your fill cap has become difficult to remove, damaged, or is no longer creating a good seal, it could be time to service your fill cap. First, remove the fill cap and inspect the gasket for wear or damage. If it needs replacement, you will first need to secure the lid in a vise. Next, unscrew the nut that holds on the bottom fill cap plate. Then remove the plate as well as the old fill cap gasket. Replace it with a new gasket. Once the new gasket is replaced, reinstall the bottom plate and its retaining nut. Next, inspect your button bleeder valve. If needing to be replaced, when installing, make sure to use Teflon tape or pipe joint compound to make sure there's a good seal. Once installed, always position the button bleeder blow-offs perpendicular to yourself. This prevents the high-pressure air from blowing off in your direction. And that's it. Your fill cap has been fully serviced. Remember, you can find all these parts and more in the online store at store.dustlessblasting.com.